Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good morning to you all. It's probably closer to the afternoon. Again, apologies for no videos this morning. I did unfortunately have to go and cover at work this morning. If I do sound a little bit tired today, I do apologise. I will try my best to try and sound as happy as possible. So the video here then is, it's a close-up coins game, 5 commemorative coins to try and guess over the course of the weekend. Can you work them out? A few people have asked for some easy ones as they are new to the channel, so it is going to be a slightly easier close-up coins in this video. The first 4 50p coins can be found in UK circulation, which means you can find them in your change. You might be lucky enough to find the 5th coin in your change. However, it is a territory coin, it is from the Isle of Man, and unfortunately it isn't for UK circulation, but that doesn't mean that the Isle of Man 50p's don't often turn up, as sometimes we do see the Isle of Man TT races from 1997, and sometimes even Gibraltar, Guernsey and Jersey coins do turn up in our change as well. So can you work these 5 coins out? Put 1 to 5 in that comment section below. Put your close-up coins next to them and we'll find out on Monday how many people managed to get correct. The next video is going to be just the 1 coin that I managed to bring home from work today, and then we will be getting on to the top commenter prize draw from last weekend. Again, a huge shout out to everyone playing the top commenter this weekend. Good luck scoring those points, and again, most importantly, best of luck with your coin hunts. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.